Good evening students. Today we are going to see about the class of nutrients. In this topic we are going to see about the carbohydrate and proteins. First we are going to concentrate on carbohydrates. They are the organic compounds and composed of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. That's why if you see the formula for the carbohydrates, it is called CHO, and they provide energy to our body. And example for the carbohydrates are glucose, starch, sucrose, cellulose, etc. And based on sugar molecules, the carbohydrates are broadly classified into three types. One is mono saccharides, disaccharides and polysaccharides. Mono means single, di means two, poly means three or more than three. Example for the monosaccharides, if you see glucose, it is composed of only one sugar molecule. Disaccharides, di means two, it is made up of two sugar molecules, sucrose. And polysaccharides, it is made up of many sugar molecules, example cellulose. Next we are going to see about the proteins. Proteins are nothing but they are the building block of our body, and it is essential for the growth and to repair the damaged cells and tissues. Proteins are made up of amino acids, and these amino acids cannot be synthesized by the biosynthesis process. So these amino acids can be uptaken by the through diet, through food item only we can uptake through our body. And there are 9 different amino acids are present. Among the 9, some I have given you as an example: threonine, tryptophan, methionine and leucine. So these are all the among the 9 amino acids. These are all the thing. And now we are going to see about the difference between the carbohydrate and proteins. Carbohydrates are made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Proteins are made up of amino acids, and they provide energy to our body. And proteins, they help to grow and to repair the damaged cells and tissues in our body. The best example for the carbohydrates, if you see, rice, potato, bread, honey, sugarcane, so on. And example for the protein, if you see, pulses, fishes, soya beans, egg white, meat. So these are all the best example for the protein. Even mushroom we can say it is rich in protein. Next, last session, write a detailed note on carbohydrate and protein. Write the difference between the carbohydrate and protein are the 2 questions for you. Thank you, children.